it's your girl Chris and welcome back to my channel. And of course, I'm back with another DIY video. This video is 4 ways you can revamp your old t-shirt. So it's perfect for summer, perfect for people who are on a budget. And if you have a lot of t-shirts you don't know what to do with, I got you. You know what? Let's just get right into the video. Wait, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and all that fun stuff. Peace.
Okay, for this shirt, the only thing I'm gonna do is cut across the top, like straight across. And that is it. Like super easy, simple, and it turned out to be a really cute top. For my second shirt, all I did again is just cut into a crop top. So I'm cutting straight across the top. And of course you want to try your shirt on so you can know where you're gonna make your cut. And I'm using my seam ripper to just make holes randomly, just making holes anywhere I feel like needs a hole. And I also made some holes on the back too. And that is how it looks. This actually was one of my favorite. Super cute and perfect for a girl's night out. Okay, for my other shirt, all I did again I'm just gonna cut straight across the top each time. Turn it into a crop top so I don't have to keep repeating myself. Okay, and then I didn't have regular rubber bands, so I decided to use my small hair rubber bands to kind of do like the tie-dye method, but instead of tie-dye, I was going to bleach it. And I decided to add some holes to it. You could do this before the rubber band method part, but I did it last minute. And that is how it looks. Super cute. I love the bleach part. This actually was my favorite shirt. Thinks it looked pretty cool. Okay, for the Bob Marley shirt, I basically just cut, like I said, straight across the top, and try it on before you cut. And I also decided to take the sleeves off. And then it should just look like this. Then I took the end. You just want to tug on the end and then just tie it together. And do the same thing to the other side. Just tie a simple little regular knot. And that is how it looks. Oh my god, I love this look. That is all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys recreate any of these looks, don't forget to tag ChrisCentric, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace!